So the man wants to wipe the whole family from nothing.
My dear, Papa father slumped this afternoon. But thank God that Father Raymond was around. Akachi.
Please, I don't want to have anything to do with that family. Umuna's family is cursed. And I don't want to have anything to do with them.
The wicked man's daughter.
Hey! Again.
Hi Rita. Hi Uju.
What is it? See, please go. We are no longer your friends. We can't be friends to a wicked man's daughter.
Yes, wait oh. Are you seriously asking us that question? It's so unfair. Let me tell you, we don't want to have anything to do with the wicked man's daughter again. We both, okay? So excuse us now. Let's go.
Why has the Dekene father decided to wipe off his entire family?
Onyeka, I am very angry. I am very, very angry. See that man? That man needs to be dealt with.
It is so shocking.
Babe, what is it?
What is Ekene doing in this house? Let him leave your house.
Ekene is my friend. And you're telling me to just tell him to leave. Whatever evil his father is doing, Ekene has no hands in it. He's a good person. You can't just ask me to send him out just like that.
Can you hear yourself talk? Either he leaves or I leave for good. You need to choose, and if I leave, I will live forever. You're not going to see me again.
If you know, I will definitely choose you. But asking my friend to leave because of whatever his father is doing is wrong. It's totally wrong. I can't do it.
Obinna, like I said, you need to choose between me and Ekene, who lives and who stays. Excuse me.
Babe? Babe? Rita?
Obinna, are you going to do as she said?
Onyeka, this is my future wife we're talking about. The woman that I want to spend the rest of my life with. You want me to trade her because of Ekene?
So what you're trying to say, you want to chase your friend out of the house because of a woman?
What do you expect me to do? I should let my woman go and keep my friend. Am I going to marry my friend?
Come on, Obinna, we're talking about your friend, our friend. This is the same person that helped you way back. I hope you remember that.
This is my best friend, my everything, my world, my life, the person that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Imagine you speaking. Just imagine what you're saying.
I'm confused, I swear. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'll play my water, baby.
So how did it go?
Well now, very, very well. I've done it. Let me go, Mia.
So what did he say to you?
He was begging,
Begging you for what now?
asking me to leave him. I said, no, you should send him packing. He should leave his house.
Fine. Amalo, what is he doing there? Is he mad?
I don't understand.
Let him leave.
Immediately. I told him I don't want to come back and see him in that house.
Yeah, that's your fine. Why, are you there? Oh, not too fine, oh. Why, what is it now? Are they avoiding me or what?
If you don't take this message, you start problem very soon. So guys, like you kind of struggling with it. Can you look here? I need triangle.
I told you. My father is at it again. I'm going to walk him up and go to also. My father is at it again. You don't know that man.
Ekene, I heard it. Rita told me about it.
Oh, she told you. You see? You see I'm not lying. Wow. Oh. Well, I saw them on the way to this place. They were not looking happy. They didn't even say a word to me. They didn't greet me. I don't know. What's the matter?
You can say it's you. You're the problem.
How am I the problem?
Obina, please. Don't do this. We all are friends.
Don't do what? What are you saying now? What are you begging him not to do?
Onyeka, tell your friend or our friend to go in there and pack his things and leave my house.
I'm gonna small go in there, pack your things and leave my house. This guy can be very funny. Leave your house to where? I know you're joking. Yeah, I go now. Well, I left the house this morning. Coming back now. You didn't even ask. Nah, you didn't go. You're saying leave your house. This guy is very funny. I need jail.
Do I look like a joker to you? Does it look like I'm joking? Listen, I want you to go in there, pack your things, and leave my house. I do not want to have issues with my girlfriend. Please, leave my house.
Rita was never sad seeing me around here. Was that the reason she and her friend? Oh. But look, Obinna, you're my guy. You can't throw me out just like that. You be my guy, my OG. Oh, what are you doing? Obinna. Onyeka.
Let me tell you something. Rita is not just a girl. Rita is the woman that I love. Woman that I want to spend the rest of my life with. I don't want to have issues with her. And I cannot trade my relationship because of her. Go in and pack your things and leave my house.
Obinna, please. Don't do this. Please.
You don't want to leave, Abby?
Are you seriously doing this? Like, are you asking me out of your house? It's me, oh. Onyeka, Bobin is me, Okwa Kennedy. Okwa the Kennedy you used to know, Kennedy money. Remember how you used to come to Lagos and you spend time in my house? I would allow you stay as long as you want. You're now asking me out of your house because of a woman. Because of a woman. Of a woman. Of a Kennedy money. Are you sure you want to do this? You want to throw me out? Of course you know the reason I left my father's house. You want to publicly disgrace me.
Ikene, are you done preaching? You don't want to live in peace, right? You don't want to live in peace. Talk to your friend to leave I don't want to be violent. I don't want to change her for you. Come out from my house peacefully. Talk to Ramona, your friend. Make it come up from my house. Ekene, leave my house. You don't want to leave, Abby?
So, Raymond, how is your father?
Uncle, my father is terribly sick. He's in ICU. He's on oxygen.
What could be the cause of this trouble? Yes, I know I threatened to deal with him, but I said it out of anger. There's no way I could harm my own blood, even though I am an evil man. My brother. Eh?
Uncle, I totally understand. And I believe you. You see, I'm here to apologize to you. Please, don't listen to what people said about you. Forgive them. And find time to be nice to them. I'll try to caution them when the time comes. Please.
Thank you. You see, your father really disappointed me. Do you know that my own blood brother instigated my son against me, telling him I'm the one responsible for his setback? Just tell me, how can I do that to my son, my only son for that matter?
That's impossible.
Oh.
Why don't you distance yourself from this man? You are evil! What have I done to you? You have done it again. Thank you very much. This time around, your action made my friend chase me out of his house. For what? What have I done to you?
You need to slow down. You don't have any right to speak to your father like that.
Slow what? Slow what? For your own good, stay away from this man. You don't know this man too. Stay away from him. Osu. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Reverend. Oh, yeah.
What have I done, Father? Father Raymond.
One more.
You just slapped me.
I slapped you?
Yes.
When?
Again.
Did I slap you?
Yes.
I slapped you?
Concentrate. Here. Where are you going to? Go! You go. There! Why are smack down? Don't worry, let me catch you.
Mama, you should have stopped him now. Papa, you know how evil that man is.
I begged him not to go, but he insisted. How else would I have begged him?
I don't like this. Mura does not understand. He needs to stay away from that man.
Sometimes I will feel like asking questions. What kind of life are we living here? One girl. At times we are confused, we don't know who to believe anymore. You don't need
Agenekwa, what is it? Father, what is it? Father, what is it? Ekene, what happened? Ekene? Hey! Ekene, come inside now. Come and hold him. Hey! Why you now? Oh, yeah, come and sit down. Ekene, bring him. No, I see. Ekene, bring him down now. Hey! Ekene, what happened to my brother? What happened to him?
I don't know. The whole thing started after he slapped my father multiple times. I don't know what he did to him.
He slapped your father?
Yes.
Mama, you see now. You see that thing I was saying. You see. But you shouldn't have gone there. That man is evil. You shouldn't have gone there.
Let's take him inside first.
Take him back. Inside the back. No, let's take him to our parish priest. Let him pray for him first. Before that man will kill him.
Let's take him to the parish priest.
Why?
What happened to the parish priest?
You don't need to sleep all the time, but surely we must win. Amome feyali bago. Sobu wakari.
That is your second name.
What does that supposed to mean?
You have done it again.
Papa,
Wait, what have I done again?
Papa, why? Why are you doing this to us, Papa? Papa, why?
Wait, what have I done again?
What have you done to Father Raymond? What an anointed man of God. What you cannot do does not exist.
You have not said anything.
Papa,
What happened to Raymond?
Papa, you are wicked. You are wicked, Papa. You are wicked.
Will you shut up your mouth? Let me understand what is going on.
What do you want to understand? What do you want to understand? Just because he slapped you, because of what you did to his father. Oh, Monna, my husband. You cannot change.
What happened to Raymond? Wagodinum. Kefe Meliani.
I am ashamed of you.
Same here. Papa.
Very, very ashamed of you.
Papa, hey!
Go and undo what you did to Godwin and his children. Biko.
Yeah. Papa.
I cannot undo what I did not do. See, let me tell you, no one will intimidate me. Wait, what have I done? Is it not the same Raymond that came here and gave me the hottest slap of my life? You are telling me rubbish. Nobody will intimidate me, you know? Okay, they're not saying now.
My love, thank you so much for what you did for me 2 days ago.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Ekene and his useless family. If you had not insisted for that fool to leave my house, he would have still been here. Who knows what that his useless father is planning to do next?
I told you. I told you that there is nothing between light and darkness. There is no connection.
At all. There's nothing between light and darkness. And you've said it. You see, at this point, I don't think I need or I want to have anything to do with that useless family. I will not.
Same here. Ifeiwa, Ujunwa, I will never have anything to do with them again.
I swear, I just believe, like you said, darkness and light has nothing in common.
Come on!
They can never meet. It's either darkness or light. If you feel,
Well, let's go inside. Let me give you one. The way you like it.
Just one. A man needs two. Double.
Really?
Come call me.
Let's go.
Come shaggy.
I hope you know the reason we summoned you.
Yes, I do. I do not have hands in whatever that is happening in my brother's family.
Can you swear for us?
Yes, I can. I can swear. I can go to anywhere and swear.
We are the only ones you can confide in. Tell us the truth and it will suffice us.
What do you mean by
Where's
that?
Yoku?
What do you mean by that, Madoka? Take me to anywhere where I will swear and prove my innocence.
Do not shout at me.
If I do, what will you do? If I do, what will you do? You see, you are the one swelling this matter.
You are a
Am I not
foolish man.
You might not do and cause all these things. Madoka.
But you know the truth.
Madoka, I'm a megalo. Madoka, Peka. Madoka is daring me. Enough of that. This man is daring me.
Umuna, what will you do?
I will do you something that you will not forget in a hurry.
I dare you, Umuna, do your work. Do your work. This man is a fool and is a wicked man. He thinks he will have power over me, just like his brother's family. I will eat you raw. You dare me. Umuna, dare me.
I will devour you before you will think of all these things that you are talking.
Umuna, sit down. Sit down, you play my house. Sit down. Enough of this. Sit down.
You think you can cover this?
It's not the reason why we are here. What nonsense is this?
Hi. Hi.
Who is Umuna to tell me not to raise my voice at you? Does he think I'm afraid of him?
I know you're not. But you went too far. You shouldn't have gone to that extent. Two of you
disrupted our meeting.
Ichie, we'll meet again. He has to tell us why he's bent on destroying his brother's family.
But he told us he's ready to swear. He told us he can swear.
Not just that. Not just that.
Yes. Maruka! 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 Somebody help! Maruka!
Run to the backyard and flew over the fence.
What's happening?
What's happening?
That man after death. I think he's attacking. Woman was there. 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 He was there.
I mean, what's the meaning of this now? Onyeka, Kennedy. What are you doing here?
Ekene, where is your father? Where is your father? Gabono! Go in and bring him out. His evil is enough in this land. We the youth have decided that we're going to bury him alive. I will burn down this house. We must burn this house. Yes!
No, listen to me. You cannot burn down this house. You cannot burn down this house. This is my only inheritance. Look at me, let's go our landed property. This is the only thing I have left. You cannot burn down the house. As for my father, he's not here.
You lie!
I cannot lie to you.
You lie! I know he's inside. Go and bring him out! Bring your father out!
You cannot burn the house. You cannot burn down this house.
Bring him out!
Where are you hiding? You don't want to talk, right? You don't want to tell. Send them to the house. What do you want now?
Look at you. You think you can escape from the anger of the youth? Your cup is filled.
Hitchcock, listen to me, please. I'm innocent. I'm innocent of all these accusations. In fact, I am ready to swear and oath. I can't have the running enemy like this. Yes.
But you are running away. No. You can't swear to anything. You can't swear. You know what people like you do when they want to take an oath? No. We can't take it. We can't take any oath. I'm handing you over to the youth. I'm handing you over to the youth.
And you are doing what?
I'm handing you over to the youth.
Hitchcock.
I'm handing you. What is that? Stop that!
The house is on fire right now. Really? What about my uncle? Before we got there, he ran away. But the youth are searching for him everywhere. I'm very sure he won't escape it. He will never escape it. They will catch him. I'm sure of that. You know what? I am rushing to the hospital right now to give my mother this food. And I'll break this news to her. How is uncle? She's sleeping. That is why I'm in a hurry, so I can go and come back immediately. Please, greet your mother for me, okay? Don't worry. Father Ray and your father will come out of this, okay? Amen. Everything will be fine. Sure, I believe so. Let's go now.
I'm on my confusion every day. I'm on my In the name of Jesus Christ, every knee must bow. Odelia na akwụkwọ nsọ, okwu Chineke mụọ. When power jump power, the lesser power go bow. Ọ dị na akwụkwọ nsọ, ike m ji aba.
Hey, where did he enter? Father Raymond. Yeah, I thought they said he was unconscious at the hospital. Huh? How come he's wearing an Ezemo regalia?
When power jump power, the lesser power go bow. Hey, when power jump power, the lesser power go bow. Hey,
At this point, everyone needs to be at alert.
Yes.
We're going to comb all the nooks and crannies of this entire village. There is no hiding place for that wicked soul.
Never. You are right. You know something? He cannot keep running away for too long. All the youths are scattered all over the village, searching for him. And if they catch him, he's gone.
Come jide go there. Come make it. Okay. Come jide go there. Come make it.
So what do you mean?
I'm on my fair confusion every day. I'm on my when power jump power, the lesser power go bow. Hey, when power jump power, the lesser power go bow.
Who is this? Eh? Hey! Chimo! Wait. So you're still alive? Let me tell you, if the angry youth catch you,
My daughter, please help me. I need your help, Biko.
Onye? Me?
Yes, I need your help.
God forbid I should help you. How? You evil man. If the angry youth catch you, they will descend on you. You will know what you did to yourself. Wicked man.
My daughter, I'm innocent of all this accusation. But he gave water. Huh?
Who are you deceiving? Me or you? No, let me know who you are deceiving. Why are you deceiving yourself? They are looking for you everywhere. Let me tell you now. Idiots. Who am I even talking to you? People, help me! Osugini, you too. Help me! Help me! This evil man is here. Evil man, that's who you are. Are you ready? People, help me! Help me! Come, youth! Youth! Everybody help me! Help you! Youth, push your back!
Let's see!
see? Hey! Is this not Fulani? What? Hey!
What is it?
I saw him. Wait for me now. Wait for me. Hey. I saw him.
Obinna, I'm surprised that foolish man escaped from this village.
You know, I'm having this feeling that Umuna is still in this village.
We searched the entire village for this man. We didn't see him.
You know, we blocked the entrance to this village. And we searched the hidden places where we feel that this man will hide. But I didn't find him.
Wait. I'm trying to think something. Did he escape before we blocked those entrances?
I don't know. But what I know is, anywhere he's hiding, Umuna, wherever you're hiding, I will find you. And when I find you, the rest is history.
Yes. I like your spirit. We will find him.
What is chasing both of you?
Did you see my brother?
Brother what? Which brother? The only brother I know that you have is Father Raymond. And he's in the hospital, so what are you saying?
Did you see him? I know, did you see him?
I didn't see anybody.
I saw him. He's dressed in a chief priest dress. Yes.
Ezemo.
Yeah. Who's Ezemo?
Ezemo.
Hey, he's dressed like that. Did you see him? Because Uju and Rita, they've been seeing him. I don't know. Have you seen him?
Your brother is lying in the hospital, unconscious. So why is he wearing Ezemo regalia and be walking up and down?
I don't know. They've just been seeing him up and down. I don't understand it. So you didn't see him?
I didn't see him.
Okay. I saw him and I'm serious about it.
You saw him?
Yes. I saw him. You know what? I'll be going back to the hospital to check if he's still there. Okay, because I don't know what you people are doing. No. Please, you guys have to see him.
Are you sure these people are okay?
They don't even look okay to me.
The brother is lying unconscious in the hospital. And she's here asking me if I saw him wearing a Ezemo regalia. Hey, someone pass me.
God Almighty, please restore my husband and my son's lives. Do not put me to shame. They did nothing to the enemies.
Brother is here.
Yes, he's here. What happened?
My friends. They said they saw him on the road with this chief priest regalia. He said they saw him.
Why are you talking like this, Silver? And you believed it?
That's why I came here to confirm. To check if he's still here.
Hey, don't mind them, my daughter. Oh, don't mind them. Father Jude just left here. He assured me that everything will be fine.
The gods of our ancestors, your son have come to present this sacrifice to you, to protect us against the wicked ones in our land. Is it not Father Raymond?
Going straight to Rita's house to warn her to stop carrying fake rumors about my brother. Because the next time she tries it, I swear I'm going to deal with her.
Nonsense. You don't be taking fake news up and down. Something is not even sorrow. Like that. Don't like to carry my fake.
Nonsense, girl. Papa, I am sure. I saw Father Raymond. I know what I saw.
Shut your mouth. You know the implication of what she just said.
I saw Father Raymond. Believe me now.
Shut up your mouth. You saw who? You saw who? How could you? How dare you lie against an anointed man of God? Papa, I am just coming back from the hospital right now, and my father and Father Raymond are lying critically ill at the hospital. So who the hell did she see?
Ure, why are you sounding like this?
Shut up your mouth! You saw who?
Ure!
Who did you see?
I saw Father Raymond!
You still look at me in the eyes and lie? You are so despicable. Listen, I will never forgive you for this.
Urena, please, calm down.
Papa, I can't keep calm. The news is everywhere. People keep saying they've been saying Father Raymond is a native doctor, regalia, whatever. It's not fair.
Ure, I saw your brother.
Stop not be my friend, shut up!
Ikenga, what's up, Woody? There is problem.
What is it?
I saw Father Raymond when I went to the shrine to give sacrifice. In full Ezemo regalia.
Are you sure of who you saw?
Ikenga, am I a child that I will not recognize Father Raymond when I see him? I saw him and I have to drop my sacrifice and run away.
Uncle, I am going straight to that shrine right now. And God help you, I don't find my brother there. I swear you will not like my reaction. You will not like my reaction.
I told you that I saw your brother.
Urena, come back. This is beyond you. Come back.
Papa, I know what I saw. I saw Father Raymond. Now he's saying the same thing. Why are you blaming me?
Ikenga, we have to do something. You know what this thing is? We have to do something.
Himself as Father Raymond. Show yourself and challenge you. Show yourself. Is it not Urena? What happened to her? Urena.
Why is Urena lying down here?
I saw her like this.
Urena! Urena! Urena!
What is you doing there?
Urena! What is it? Why are you lying here?
Can you Maggie, what happened to her?
Your phone. Why are you lying down here? Are you okay? What?
I was at Oba Shrine.
Oba Shrine?
And then?
What happened?
I can't remember.
Like, you don't know how you got here?
Hello? Hello, Mama? What? Mama, are you sure? Thank God. Father Ray has gained consciousness.
Father Ray?
Father Ray has
One
gained
name water. One name water.
Father Ray! So she finally went home at night. Eh? Who knows what happened to her? One day, big mystery of her faith.
I am worried that we have not heard anything about Father Ray till now. Don't you think we should make some inquiries on how to get his paper?
I was thinking to use that direction too. But the truth is, I don't even know who to go to. I don't know who to call.
Can't you call anybody from the diocese? Listen. Father Ray. Where are you?
Father, to be honest, I can't particularly explain to you what happened to me. In other words, I can't give you a comprehensive detail of what I encountered. But the truth is, I feel better now, and thank God I'm back.
What about your father?
My father is still at the hospital, lying down unconscious.
Father Ray, this is your uncle you told me about. Are you sure he's not the reason for all these problems?
I don't think so. My uncle is a very good man, and I don't think he can harm his brother's family for any reason. I don't subscribe to that narrative.
Remember the dream I had that made me ask you if you have an issue with anyone?
Father, like I said, my uncle is a good man. I don't think he can hurt his family. The fact that he threatened my father out of anger doesn't necessarily mean he's responsible. I strongly believe that there is something mysterious going on somewhere. I can feel it.
I want you to pray and to check it so you don't dine with your enemies.
My mother is blind, Father.
Who is that, my son?
The priest.
Oh, hey, Reverend Father.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Father, good evening.
Good evening.
Do you believe in miracles?
Yes, Father, I believe in miracles. I believe in Jesus Christ. Yes, I believe.
Let your faith set you free.
Amen. Amen. I can see you. Mama, you can see. Mommy, thank you. Thank you. Mama, you can see. Mommy, I can see. I can see. I can see. I can see. This is red. Mama, yes, yes. Can you see me? I can see you. You're wearing black. This is yellow. Hey, where is the father that heals? Hey! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell me the truth. What really happened just out there? She regained sight. What a miracle. I'm so surprised and shocked, honestly. You say miracle. Who gave him the power? See, are you sure that he's not using a black magic? How can you say that about an anointed man of God? What if Only God gives him the power of healing.
When did it start? See, let me tell you. The hospital management will not be happy with him of this is single act.
See, he healed a blind woman. See, let me tell you something. It is enough reason to give God the glory, okay?
See, you are not even getting my point. You are not.
Excuse me.
Wait, oh, are you leaving me here? Ha!
Who is there? Who are you? Who is there? And what are you doing in our house? What are you doing here?
I'm ready.
For what?
I have an important message to deliver to him. Before more people will die in our community.
You wicked man. If you don't leave here, thunder will strike you dead. If you try to unleash your evil plan on anybody again. Idiot.
Come on now, what are you doing in my house?
Papa, I think we should alert the youth right now. Papa,
Go inside now.
this evil man should leave here. If not, you can go.
Please, I have an important message to deliver. Can we see in a private?
Go on. Deliver your message.
Okay, can we sit?
Sometimes I will feel like asking questions. What kind of life are we living here? One girl. At times we are confused, we don't know who to believe anymore. You don't need to sleep, all the time, but surely we must win. You don't need to sleep, all the time, but surely we must win.
I've been wondering about this Kenga's emergency summon.
They said Umuna came to his house yesterday.
Umuna came to his house. Did he confess?
Confess what?
About his evil deeds.
We shall find out from Ikenga when we get to his place.
Okay. Till then, we'll find out. Exactly.
Baby.
Yes, my love.
When are you going to go and see your parents? It's end of the month already, and they're not saying anything about it.
I know, my love. You don't need to stress yourself, okay? I'll give you an answer very soon.
How soon is that?
As soon as possible.
That's the worst. Are you expecting anyone?
My friend.
Okay, go small. Okay, go small, my man. Hey, William, down, my man. You're welcome, bro. Huh? Okay, one fresh.
Welcome to my abode.
Thank you very much.
Babe, meet my friend Ekene. Ekene, meet the woman in my life, Vivian.
Same here.
My bro.
Oh, yeah, man.
My brother, I was my bro.
Thank you.
My very good wasn't friend. My brother, how was your trip now?
Nah, it's stressful. You know, I've never been to this side before.
I know. It's good to have you around now. You've seen where we are managing now, so and see.
You see, there is no peace for the wicked. And there is no hiding place for an evil man like this.
Yes.
Naikinga,
Please, hand him over to us peacefully for justice to prevail.
Yes!
The use of our land. I greet you all. It's a good thing that you are here. I plead for your patience. Let us calm down and hear with our ears what Umunna has to say to his brothers.
Naikinga, we all know what he has to say. He wants to confess to us. Naikinga, no matter what, if he confesses, we will not pardon him. Hand him over to us. Let us take necessary actions.
Yes! Yes!
Yes, I support. Suffer not the witch to live.
Njikoka, there is neither a witch nor a wizard here. Let us hear what Umunna has to say.
Thank you, Ikenga. You see, I escaped to Umuze village in a bed to save my life. And there I met a Dibia who truly told me what is happening in our kindred. You see, he told me that Oba Shrine is responsible for what is happening to my brother's family.
Hey!
Jesus
Christ!
You lie.
Hey! Okay, you are a pathetic liar.
Yes!
Okay, you can lie for Africa. I commot cap for you, Twali.
Oh, Bina, allow him to finish.
Okay.
Ikenga, Umunna should not take us for granted. Godwin is still lying unconscious at the hospital, and his daughter, Ogo, is still mad. Umunna should tell us the truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes! Yes!
Like I said, let him finish.
You see, my brother, the great Dibia told me that Oba has not had a servant for the past 5 years now. And that the person that should serve Oba is from our kindred. Though he did not mention name or for anybody. But he told me that the man is great, that we should go and look for the man in our kindred there. If not, that more people will die.
Good actor. Good actor. Nice one. Hi. Umunna, you're a good actor. Hey, you sabi do film. Go. Please tell us the title of the movie you're giving this man to play. Eh? The most annoying part is that you elders are here listening to the bull crap that is coming out of his mouth. Ikenga, I am respecting you. Please, hand this fool over to us. We the youth have decided to bury him alive.
Yes!
Umunna is saying the truth.
Oh.
What truth? This wicked man is telling you the truth. I am in support of what Obina said. Umunna should be handed over to the youths to face the consequences of what he has done.
Yes! You must be very alive.
Sometimes I will feel like asking questions. What kind of life are we living here? One girl. At times we are confused, we don't know who to believe anymore.
Get it? You this wicked man. You must die. Yes.
I am innocent.
Liar. You are not innocent.
I'm innocent.
Liar.
If you kill me, my blood will go your head.
Which blood, sir? Which blood? You are not innocent.
You see this man, one thing I like about him is that he's too crafty. He was not gotten there on time. You see this evil man. You have deceived all those elders and run away. Yes. You see, today he must die.
Yes.
Come on,
die.
Move it.
Stop.
Move it.
I'm innocent too.
I'm innocent too. I'm innocent too. Move it.
Ikenga, do not blame me. Umunna should be made to suffer for the evil he has committed.
What if he's innocent?
He is not. The truth is that we failed to make inquiries about what Umunna said before condemning.
What nonsense inquiries? So that he will run away again? The youth should make him to pay with his own coin.
Greetings, elders of this kingdom. My name is Eze Kudengo, the great Dibia. I've come with a message from the gods. That man is innocent. Ogba is responsible. Ogba is very angry. Why? Because they left Ogba for good 5 years. No servant. Ogba have chosen someone which name is Godwin Raymond is the chosen one. His father spirit is seized in the spirit world until Raymond submit himself. I have delivered my message.
Godwin Raymond. Who is Godwin Raymond?
Who else? If not Father Ray, whose father is at the hospital.
Oh, that will be a very big problem.
How can that be possible?
Elders,
Reverend Father?
we all heard the words of the great Dibe.
Yes.
We heard what he said, and it's indeed very serious. So right now, we are going to forget about this first. Let us try to stop the youths, else they will bury one alive.
To sleep, all the time, but surely we must win. You don't need to sleep, all the time, but surely we must win.
Hello, man. We came late.
Come on, nice, innocent. Let us go to where you buried him so we can dig out the body before it's too late.
My sons, let's go back. A Dibia from nowhere told us exactly what Umona told us.
Well, I don't know what to tell you people. But you see, we are attacked inside the bush. Some boys from nowhere came and took him away.
Do you know the boys? Do you recognize them? I was able to recognize one of the boys. They were boys from his wife's village.
In that case, he is in safe hands. We have to go to his wife's place so that we can see him. So let's be on our way.
Your brothers are here.
Huh?
Yes.
Where?
They're coming. If you are here to take my husband away, you are not serious, because I will call upon my brothers and none of you will live here the same.
Sorry. I understand how you feel. You come in peace. You're not here to take your husband away. I can assure you that none of us here is part of what happened. Even the one that almost happened this afternoon. But we thank God for your timely intervention.
Let me clear her very well. It has been confirmed that your husband is innocent.
of all the accusations leveled against him. The true cause of what happened has been revealed.
They burned down my house and nearly killed my husband.
Woman, we are sorry. That is why we have come to apologize to you. Please, forgive us.
So, my father would have died just like that for something he's not guilty of.
So sorry, my daughter. I promise we'll make amends for all the loss. Please, tell Omon that his brothers are here to see.
How do I know this is not a plot to make me disclose my husband's whereabouts so you will catch him and kill him?
Nothing of such. Everything we've said to you here is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Take your medicine now. Everything is not play now. Take your medicine. I will see it. Take that. See. Take now.
Is she alright?
I'm trying to make her take her drugs because she has been having fever. But this girl will not accept. Sorry. This one you both. Oh yeah, Mechonu now. Mechonu. It's okay. This one you both came to see me.
Have you not heard?
Heard what?
It has been confirmed that your uncle is not responsible for all the atrocities that is happening in your family.
And who is feeding you all with these rubbish lies? Eh?
Also lies. Ure, it is not a joke. In fact, as I speak to you now, my father and others are on their way to Muna's wife's village.
I thought they said he was buried alive.
He lives. Our youth were attacked by some boys from his wife's place, and they took him away.
So, who then is responsible? Who is the person responsible for all this then?
They said he has not had a servant for 5 years now.
How does that concern my family?
The servant is from your family.
Yes. You see? Wait, it's again.
The servant is from your family. Ezopo, Father Ray is the chosen one.
It be like say bomb down. See, calm down. Calm down. Listen, if they sent you, tell them you did not see me. Here. Don't get me angry, please. Don't just get me angry for this rubbish you are saying. Come, did they send you? You know what, please, before I close my eye and open it, you guys should leave this place. You both should just leave this place. As you can see, I was very busy before you came here. Don't annoy me because I'm ready to bath you with this water right now.
Let's go.
They've sent you to come and tempt me this afternoon with rubbish and fake news. What rubbish?
I think we made a mistake. How? Because we wouldn't have gone there. We would have allowed the kinsmen to go. Now they think that we are happy with the whole thing.
You are right. But it is not our fault. We went there because she's our friend and we had nothing bad in mind.
I really feel for her.
But how is it going to be possible? A priest of God now is choosing to serve deity.
I wonder how they are going to do it. It's not possible.
Do you think it will work? They should better look for another person. Moreover, Omona is there. Why the anointed man of God?
Then let's wait and see how it's going to happen. Let's wait and see how they are going to convince Father Ray. Because I know it is not possible. It's not going to work.
Oriako, we are here concerning the situation of things in the community. The real cause of everything that has been happening in your family has been Omuna. had no hand in it. Rather, it is the clan deity, Oba, that has been responsible for everything. It is not happy with us because for 5 years, he has not had a servant. And after due consultations, it was revealed that the one very person chosen to serve him is no other than Reverend Father.
Ikenga is right. We were warned to establish a servant to avoid further misfortune in our clan. Please, it's not our making.
It is not your making indeed. How could you gang up with my husband's brother against an anointed man of God? How?
Hurry up. There is no such thing. Everything you heard now is as declared by Oba himself. Once Father Raymond accepts his position, your husband will be well again.
Lies. Pure lies. How can you all gang up against an anointed man of God? You want him to abandon his calling for Christ to serve your useless deity? Read my lips. It can't happen.
Urenda, withdraw that statement before you incur further wrath of Ogba.
Upe.
Oh please, your Oba cannot do anything.
It's again.
Calm down, my daughter. We all know it's not going to be easy.
Uncle, I do not care. Okay? My brother cannot abandon God to go and serve your deity. If your deity cannot choose some other person to serve it, then it should go to hell. I don't care.
You heard my daughter, right?
We cannot do it. We are not serving your God. We are not doing it. What kind of thing is this one?
You heard her? Look elsewhere.
I forgo.
Ikenga, I expected this reaction because I know it will not go down again.
We have delivered the message. Let us go so we can discuss the message.
It's not possible. It's
Una?
not going to work. It's not going to work.
Una?
It will not work.
Don't mind the why you wasting your life.
What kind of nonsense is this one? Is it by force? Like in this modern age, I don't understand this modern era.
Hey, Kenny, my guy. How far now?
Fine.
How was your day?
Fine. You know how it is now. Eat, sleep, wake up and eat again. Sunday can be I must tell you one thing. Your wife is such an amazing woman.
I know.
Like she never allows me go hungry in this house.
My guy. Kenny, my man. You know, I know she's the wife material. 100 yards, my guy. She's good in every aspect, my guy. You know what? Soon I will go meet her parents to make my intention known to them. I want to get married to her.
If you ask me, I will still say that your wife is a wonderful woman. Yes, whatever you want to do with her, be fast about it.
Yeah.
Are
you sure you're not talking from a hungry man perspective? Because this is your free food you're eating now.
Oh, my brother, your wife can cook.
Anyway, thanks,
she's
man.
a good cook.
I know. Like, I'm so lucky to have her in my life.
Exactly.
And also, my guy, concerning the discussion we had the other time, I will give you the sum of 500,000 tomorrow, okay? So you can start up something for yourself, okay? I don't want you to be sitting idle at home all by yourself.
I say,
you're my man now.
500K.
Bam. Tomorrow I will wire it to your account.
500K. Oh,
you're kidding, my man.
Indeed. God bless you.
It's okay, my guy.
500,000.
My brother, you've helped me when I needed help. So who am I not to reciprocate that kind gesture? You're my man now.
My brother, thank you very much.
You're welcome, my bro.
500.
Bam. Echi. Ekene, my man. Yeah.
Thank you.
Father Ray, what is this rumor? What's this rumor I've been hearing around this?
I don't know when I do it. There's something definitely wrong with me. I don't know. I can't explain.
You need to see the bishop. I think you have a special calling.
A calling? Well, Father, I'm already a priest. What do you mean?
A special calling.
A special calling?
So these things happening, the management won't like it at all.
Do I tell him about the fetish stuff?
You need to see the bishop as quick as possible. Understood?
Yes, come in.
Some traditional chiefs are at the reception. They said they came from your village. They are here to see you.
Traditional chiefs from my village?
Yes, Father.
Okay, just tell them to wait. I'm with Father Loy right now. Tell them to wait. I'll see them shortly.
Traditional chiefs from your village? Are you sure it's not about you, Father?
Father, I haven't spoken to my mother today. I have no idea what the problem is, but I'll go out and find out.
Then go ahead. Go ahead and find out what their mission is.
Did you see those elderly men that came here? Who are they?
I heard they said they are from Father Ray's village. They are here to see him.
Please, is it true that his father is still unconscious at the hospital?
That's what I heard though. He heals the sick ones here. And someone that is almost dead, he even raised the person. So why can't he do the same to his family?
Not only his father, even his sister is yet to be cured of her madness.
Are you serious? He does a lot of miracles and wonders here. So why can't he do the same to his family?
That is what I'm yet to understand.
This is serious. Who knows why they were here? Maybe it's something that has to do with his father.
Maybe, maybe not.
My dear, let me go back to my room.
You only want to go back to
You're welcome once again. How's your parents?
Let us go straight to the living Lord. In fact, before I proceed, I'd like to say that whatever we say for the betterment of our people and to save lives. It's about the problem in the family. Mona is innocent. Our clan leader, Oba, is responsible.
Oba, a deity. We don't serve that. We don't worship that. Why should it trouble us? Why?
It's because he has chosen you to serve as a servant.
I still don't understand. Me, Oba chose me, a priest, a servant of God. That's impossible.
You can't question the decision of our God. You choose the servant. We urge you to take up this matter to avoid the problem that will befall our community. We beg you, take it off. If you take it off, you'll get to your coming.
Oba is the young that has to be child.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. You'd have to go back to Oba. Tell him or her that he chose the wrong person. I am a priest. I am a reverend father. I serve God. And I cannot serve two masters at the same time. It is totally impossible. Listen, he should pick from any other family. Better still, my uncle. Or one of my relatives, and not me. It can't be me. I am a priest.
Oba is the one that chooses. And whoever chooses must serve.
But in that case, you chose the wrong person. I'll pray for you before you go. Heavenly Father, I bring before you these ignorant souls. I pray that you forgive them. Wash away their sins. For they do not know what they are doing. In the name of the Father, Son. So, like,
What happened? Rita. Rita. Hey, let's rush her to the hospital. Maybe she might be saved.
Sorry. She's dead.
But she was looking healthy when we departed here in the morning.
How come?
No. What can't be this? What happened?
Mrs. Catherine, our people are not happy. People die almost every day in this kindred. And the only way to stop it is to invite Father Raymond to a meeting. Let him come and take his position as the servant of Oba. Okay?
See, it will never happen, sir. With all due respect, it will never happen. Not in this life, not in the next life. Okay? Listen to me, all of you. If Oba cannot select some other person to serve it, then let's all perish now.
Mechiagon, one grand said it again. How do you mean that we will all perish? Your brother must serve Oba, or we force him to do that. Yes.
Try it. You dare not. You dare not.
Bianjikoka, if you are the brain behind this, you better stop. What is it? People should leave my son alone. One of you can do that. You can serve Oba. My son is a priest. He's a priest of God, for Christ's sake.
My own is that, whether priest or no priest, my family and I, we don't believe in Oba. Okay? And as for Obina, he will come and take the cups. That one is for sure. Mama, let's go. Don't bother yourself. See Obina, he will come and take that cup from the company.
Mama, let him come and remove that cup.
Mama, stop.
Let him come.